Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to recover your WhatsApp backup. So if you're not sure whether you have a backup or you want to restore your chats, then just follow along. First, open WhatsApp on your phone, then go to settings and then tap chat backup. Here you'll see whether a backup exists when it was last created and whether it's stored in iCloud or phone or Google Drive on Android. If a backup is available and you want to restore it, then you need to uninstall WhatsApp from your device and then reinstall it from App Store or Google Play Store. Open WhatsApp, then verify the same phone number that you used to create the backup and follow the prompts. When WhatsApp detects your backup, tap restore and wait for the process to finish. You need to keep in mind that you must use the same phone number and the same Google or Apple account that was used to create the backup. If no backup is found, unfortunately WhatsApp can't restore chats that were never backed up. So that's how to recover your WhatsApp backup. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.